Ubah singaw bahalang dahar nongilam ka National People Party NPP ubadiru Menteri Hak Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA ulo ang paman la kasingi kimi kibara plakat ki jingkeno yak Sarkar MDA khamtam yak NPP bat usung tenat ban ong ki bayaki bat kibara almayong kim sungu yak e kabakile habakran hak jelang priang buram sak NPP yoba Hamlet Sandoling hak nyauterik kulalungkot araja apulai omlingka ubah singaw bahalang dak baai kuble yoba emlang litan nongilam berim ke FK GP bat PDF bola penyeso sak NPP ulo ang ba omdei ban kren ban musilia bat omdei ban net start yakapang ka ba omden jingtip ai Dakabayro yoba Hamlet San bat kumju yo Konrad ke sangma menteri ba kajala bat national president ke NPP uba singaw bahalang uloong bahaga singi baja ke jingja siat hamukro omtang kibara alamayong ke bai chai ben rio Henry kham i maki ki badei ki nongilam ki balajit upai ba
man la kasi gimi ki plakat ki jingkno ki jingkai ke MD government kham tami ke NPP go party hanai ga soten nat banong don ki bayaki ki bera alamayong Kim Song Tui, I give that is very wrong. It's a wrong message to the people of the state. Kepada yang baam langis kepada guys, Ma Kublai Shibun, you have set a good example just now. Don't talk, don't interfere, don't try to be clever for a subject which doesn't know anything. That's right. Akan mau kau ni. Hatu kerja apa mau crop hearing. Mari itu kita dinjar bersongsi. Mendai tang itu kibara kelas so bersongsi. Ngiru ejak beru, mendai kibam ejak beru. Come ejak mangi because we are your leaders. We are your elected leaders at the same time. Not the temporary leaders. Mari itu kita dinjar. Kai kebalong. San bagi mesti ulang kamera yang jongsian. Kami bam breakfast show. Ni lagi bag head helikopter pos pak mokro. Ngabad siam beauty siam. Mari po yang tei. Dan katuk ani kesamla di ba abini hasurok. Ni kemen ni mud bagi pediang ni. Handai ki pediang deg slipper ni berolai ngok. Handai ucing ni sarong ni masa ngama don't worry. What to do your leaders so to accept all this? Thank you sir for a good example to the other leaders. Makan mau kita tindo mata kasi, ngadanggut bandam. Karena chimney sarung mas ngapa? Don't worry. In politics you will face so many drama in one day, and that is one of the drama which you never forget. So thank you sir. Nagaling jomam kuat subun kerbon geden. Nganai tangkau ki assuran ni. Naka party personally nagaling jomam. I want to make sure Bahamlan should come as next MLA again in 2023 from this constituency. And number two, I have full confidence on our leaders. We will be getting a single majority, sir.